how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut. So first of all, now open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to assets. From this assets, now go to withdraw. After you come to withdraw, now tap on this withdraw again. So in this option, all you have to do now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. For me, I want to withdraw BTC. So select the BTC like this now. So tap on this send via crypto network. So from this option, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up now your Revolut app. After you open the Revolut app, tap on the receiving section. So from the receiving section, you could be able now to see different coins. So select the coin you want to withdraw. For me, it is BTC. After you select the BTC, just go ahead and copy the address of the BTC and select the preferred network. So for me, I have already copied my address. So I'll tap on this section after you copy the address and paste in the address in this option now. So tap on this option now to select the network. For me, I will use BNB. I've already selected the BNB. So from this option now, go ahead and type in the amount you want to withdraw. I will just tap on this max for mine. So now if I tap on this withdraw button, I can be able now to receive my BTC to my Revolut app. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.